Have you ever tried to extract a row from a Pandas data frame, only to find it turns into a column? It's a common frustration, and if you're facing this issue, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve this problem together. I totally understand how confusing it can be when you expect a simple extraction to work, but instead, you get a completely different output. You're not alone in this. Many users encounter this issue when working with Pandas. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user has a data frame and wants to extract the first row while preserving its shape. They tried using the command df.lock0, but ended up with a column instead. Sound familiar? Let's dive into how we can fix this. So why does this happen? When you use df.lock0, Pandas returns a series instead of a data frame. This is because Pandas treats single rows as series by default. But don't worry, there are ways to extract the row while keeping it as a data frame. And stick around. I have a smart and elegant solution for you at the end that will make your data manipulation much easier. To extract the first row of the data frame while preserving its shape, the user can use the ilock method. This method allows for integer location-based indexing. The user should note that by using double square brackets, they can keep the row as a data frame instead of converting it to a series. After executing this command, the user will see that the output retains the original data frame structure with 1 row and 3 columns. This method is both smart and elegant, allowing the user to extract rows without the need for additional data frames or transposing. Fun fact, did you know that Pandas is named after the term panel data? It's a powerful tool for data manipulation, but sometimes it can be a bit tricky. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is to use a range selector. By using df.awk with the range 0 to 1, you can extract the first row while preserving the data frame format. Here's the elegant solution I promised. Remember to use ilock with double brackets or the head method for extracting rows. This will save you time and keep your data organized. And there you have it. You can now extract rows from your Pandas data frame without losing the structure. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on data manipulation.